Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing something that you guys seem to like, and I think you guys pretty much like when I spend money. So we're going to be doing another haul. Like I said, we are doing a haul, and I went to Sephora on my lunch break with my really good coworker, Robin. No, she's not even my coworker no more. We went to Sephora. Obviously, Sephora is a trap. I promise you guys, Sephora charges you an entry fee and then they charge you a looking fee. So anytime you look at something that like $10, $10, $10, $10, because if you guys checked out my last Ulta haul, then you guys will know that I stated if you are trying to spend a certain amount of money and get more bang for your buck, then you obviously, more realistically, would like to go to Ulta, because Ulta has more drugstore brands and high-end brands, whereas Sephora is just like straight high-end. Like, sis, don't come in here if you're not trying to spend a bag. So I went into Sephora. I got a gift card. Actually, it was a $30 gift card. It was $25. It was a $25 gift card, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to Sephora and I'm gonna get some setting spray because that's all I needed. However, like I said, Sephora is a trap. So I will let you guys know what the grand total is of all the items that I purchased at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Let's get into the actual haul. So the first thing I got from Sephora is Sephora Beauty Amplifier Setting Spray. So like I said, the initial reason for me going into Sephora was to get a setting spray. Now typically I use the Urban Decay Up All Nighter setting spray, but I was thinking, like, if I actually get something a little bit cheaper, I will feel better about spending more money on products versus buying a $30 setting spray. So I purchased the Sephora brand setting spray. This one was $16. I've never tried it. I haven't really heard too many things about it, but I just think that, like I said, setting spray, it just goes so fast. And honestly, at the end of the day, like, what is the difference between setting sprays? I haven't really found out what that is. So I was just like, okay, well, if Sephora has one, I'm gonna just go with that, and then I can get more products. So this is the setting spray that I did get. Like I said, I normally use the Urban Decay Up All Nighter setting spray, and that was like $32 this. And I was just like, that's like more than I had on my gift card. So I felt like this was just a little bit more reasonable, and it made me feel better about buying more products. So the next item that I got is highlighter. So I got a highlighter from Melt Cosmetics. This is the Digital Dust Highlight. And this is what it looks like. I think this is so cute because it's like a Dia de los Muertos type of vibe on it, because it obviously has the sugar skull on there. The color of this is just really, really nice. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it for you guys. The thing that I really liked about this was that it wasn't super pigmented, but it was super like holographic-y. They gave you that really cute iridescent vibe to it. So I really like this. It wasn't something that I went in there for. I really didn't even know why I needed another highlighter, but I saw the color of it and I was just like, I have to get this. This highlighter was, oh my gosh, it was $39. So I really hope that this looks good on my skin after I beat base. I will definitely be showing you guys when I do that, but this was a $40 highlighter, and I just really fell in love with the color of it, and I don't have anything like this, so I was really just like, let me try it out. I know that kind of really contradicts what I just said about the setting spray. Like, you wouldn't spend $32 on a setting spray, but you would spend $40 on a highlight. $40 on a highlight? Alright, so the next thing I got were the Sephora brand eyelashes. So these are the Swanky number 33 lashes. I really wanted to get some new lashes because, as you guys seen in my Ulta haul, I did purchase some lashes from Ardell, and those lashes are really, although I thought one of them was going to be a little bit more like bold and one of them was definitely supposed to be natural, they both just feel really natural to me when I put them on. So I was like, okay, let me get something that's just a little bit more definition, a little bit more volume. So I got these ones here. I'm really excited to try them out. Again, as you guys know, I really don't wear lashes, so lashes for me, I'm just like kind of getting into those. I decided to give these a try, and these lashes were $10. I don't feel like that's a bad price for some lashes. So the next thing that I got was this foundation, and this is the Milk Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. So I really didn't go in with the intention of buying this foundation from Milk specifically. I did know that I wanted to go ahead and try out a new foundation because, as you guys know, a lot of my foundation routines revolve around Fenty Beauty because Fenty Beauty is just the best. But I was like, okay, I want to try try something new. I want to try something a little bit different. So my friend Robin actually had heard a lot of good things about Milk, and based off of her recommendation, I decided to try it, and that is what I have here now. So I got the shade Tan, and it's a full coverage and it's Blur Liquid Matte. So I feel like this should be really good. It should turn out really nicely and be very, you know, very beautiful and obviously blurring, but I haven't really heard anything about it. I really didn't do any research on it before I bought it, but I did purchase it, so you guys will see some reviews coming on that soon, and if I like it, then you guys will see me using it more often, but if not, then you guys will know why. So the next thing that I got was, of course, from Fenty Beauty. I got the Fenty Beauty Lip Stunna Paint. Is that what it's called? I'm so dyslexic. It's the Stunna Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Unbuttoned. So obviously Fenty Beauty is probably, I can say, you know, honestly, one of my favorite makeup brands. Fenty Beauty has just always been a really good line. I love Rihanna, I love everything she stands for, and I love, you know, that she really takes her time to curate all of the products within her line. And I even love her makeup artist, Priscilla Ono. So this lip color to me was just something that was pretty necessary. Like, I do a lot of more pinky nudes and yeah, just like pinky nudes. So I wanted to do something that was like real nude. So I thought, why not try this lip paint color? I have the red one, and I bought it for my mom actually for Christmas or for her birthday because she really loves wearing red lipsticks. Like, that's like her signature lip color. She actually hated it because it just transferred a little too much for her, and as far as like the reapplication, everything, she just strictly wants her MAC Ruby Woo, and that's it. That's all. That's it. But I really liked it, and I have the red lip color, and you know, like I said, I liked it, so I was like, okay, well, why not try this color? So I did go ahead and get this. This lip color here was $24, so a little bit pricey for a lip color, but again, I love Fenty Beauty. I will support Fenty Beauty till the end of time, so I think it's definitely worth it. And the next thing that I got was this Sephora Lip Honey Gloss Balm, and this is in the number 42 in the shade Manuka. I just am like, you know, I don't have any brown glosses. I really like that old school, you know, dark lip liner, dark lip color look. So I was like, okay, and I actually didn't notice that it was like honey based or it has honey in it until I got home and actually looked at everything that I purchased. So I mean, that's another plus to it, is that it should be really moisturizing because it has honey in it. So that is what I got. This one here was $8, which I feel like is a pretty decent price. Obviously, Sephora brand items are gonna be cheaper than, you know, obviously everything else that they sell. So there were multiple glosses that I passed by, but this one I was just like, okay. And one of those things at the register where they get you, where you're just standing in line waiting, and then you're like, I obviously don't need this, but it's right here in front of me and I can use it. The next item, we're back to the wonderful Fenty Beauty. This is one of her newer products here, which are the Snap Shadows. So I got the shade number 7, which is called Cadet, and this is what it looks like here. So again, I have a love for neutral colors and yellows. So I was just like, okay, you know what, I have to get this. They did have like a few of the other colors, but they were pretty sold out for the most part because these just recently released. Obviously the ladies was on it, and I picked out this shade. I think this is really cute. I think this is gonna be really good for traveling when I go ahead and go out of town. This eyeshadow palette itself was $24, $25. This was $25. If you purchase 2, I believe it's like $40 or something like that. They kind of give you a little break because you're buying 2 at a time. But these are super good. I think it might be $42. Yeah, I think it might be $42. So these are really cute because obviously, you know, if you haven't seen, these actually snap together with the other shades. I believe it's numbered 1 through 8, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, there could be 9, but I think these are really great. I think that as far as the compact style of these and the fact that you just click them together and then use one on one end and then flip to the other side and use the other one, it's super convenient, especially if you're traveling. So I really wanted to try out some of these Fenty eyeshadow colors, so I got this one, but best believe we are going to the store to get some more. So the next and final thing that I got from Sephora was this Huda Beauty lip contour, and this is in the shade Spice Girl. So if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that my favorite go-to brown is Cork by MAC. However, I'm just kind of at a point where I'm like, okay, I know there's other brown liners out there, and I know I have my staple favorite, but I also need to branch out and try other things. So I definitely want to give this a try because it's just so, I don't know, I just hear so many good things about Huda Beauty, and I really feel like besides the Rose Gold Remaster palette that I have, I don't really give it enough play. Granted, Huda Beauty is like, damn, they're $65 for the eyeshadow palettes. I want to give them more playtime. So I purchased this, and I really just want to kind of test out and feel out their lip liners before I commit to buying a bunch of them. I know obviously everybody makes lip liners, so it's just kind of like a trial and error type of thing. Like, I feel like Spice Girl was just like perfect. It was like Cork's big sister. So I was like, you can't go wrong with a brown liner. So I'm really excited to try this out and pair this with the Manuka lip gloss. I feel like this is gonna give me that wonderful 90s vibe that I'm searching for. So that is why I got that lip color. Hopefully that turns out nice. And if not, I know this is gonna be a really good pairing with the unbuttoned lip paint. So I know I can utilize this in multiple different ways, but I really do need to start trying other lip liners. So if you guys actually have some really nice brown lip liners that you guys know of, drop those down in the comment box below. So that is actually it for all of the things that I got from Sephora. I got a total of 8 things, and I actually did go ahead and redeem some of my points. So I actually have been a beauty insider for a really long time, and I just keep holding and holding and holding my points for something worthy to come up. And so I did go ahead and get this Tatcha, what is this? Just like a Tatcha cleansing kit. So this came with the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, which is a face wash, and a Tatcha Water Cream, which is a moisturizer. So I really enjoyed the Tatcha Dewy Mist that I purchased from Sephora when it first came out. So I was just like, okay, well, I like Tatcha so far. Let's keep it going and see what else they have. So that's what I did go ahead and spend my points on. I believe that was 300 points. So it wasn't too bad. I also did go ahead and take advantage of the birthday gift from Sephora. As you guys know, my birthday was on January 3rd. If not, now you know. Happy birthday, happy late birthday. Yes, thank you. But I did go ahead and get the Sol de Janeiro. I hope that's how you say it. If not, don't come for me. But that gift, and with that gift, it comes with the Brazilian Beach Bum Cream. I believe this is a body cream, and obviously, like it says, you put it on your bum. And then I also got the Coco Cabana cream. I think this one is just a regular body moisturizer, but I've never tried it. I've seen it in Sephora all the time, and I really don't know if it actually works, what it's for, any of that. So I did go ahead and decide to get it for my birthday gift, so that way I can try it for free and see exactly if it's worth, you know, my actual money. So I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing these few products that I got from Sephora. Again, like I said, if you guys haven't already, make sure to check out my Ulta haul. I'm gonna link that right here so that you guys can kind of see like the difference in going to Sephora versus Ulta. And if you're on a budget, then that will kind of help you out a lot in determining where you want to go if you're on a budget, so that you can get the more bang for your buck. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see how much this Sephora haul cashed out for. And that is, okay, so I dread saying this part. My mom watches these videos, and Jordan sometimes watches my hauls just so he can clock me on how much I'm spending on makeup. But forget them, we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys the price anyway. We spent a total of $231 on all of these products that we got from Sephora. So I did have, like I said, a $25 gift card, which brought my total down to $213. So essentially I paid $206 for all of these products. Again, that is 8 products, a total of $213. Compared to the Ulta haul, I think this probably wasn't worth it. Like I said, I really didn't even go in there with the intent to buy anything but a setting spray, and I spent well over what I would consider a decent amount on makeup. But one of the really cool things that I did sign up for during this month was BoxyCharm. So like I said, my coworker Robin is the one that I went to Sephora with. She also has BoxyCharm, and just really helped me understand that they give you full-size products, and they give you it all for one flat rate of pretty much $30 a month, $25 a month with some change, 27, but let's say $30. But that would have been the price of just this Milk Foundation alone, and they give you about, I believe, 5 to 6 full-size items. So I will be receiving my BoxyCharm within the next few days, so I'm definitely going to be doing a unboxing for BoxyCharm. So if you guys want to see that and see if it's worth your coins, I think it's worth my coins, because I'm not going to spend, you know, $213 every month on makeup. But if I can get it for free and obviously at a discounted rate, then I'm gonna do that. But if you guys want to see if BoxyCharm is worth your coins, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel when I do release that unboxing video. You guys will see all the goodies that I have, and I'll let you know if it's actually worth it, and what the process might be for setting up your own BoxyCharm if you guys decide to go ahead and join. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys did like this, and make sure to share it with a friend and let them know, hey girl, don't spend your money, let's have Latrell spend her money and do a review on these things. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.